I'm talking.
I went like just to those birds up there. Damn. Yeah. Somewhere on the other side of that freaking hill is where the boat landing's at. What is cracking, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Marshall Outdoors. Today we are obviously at the Rainy River in Baudette, Minnesota. It's been a late year. I mean, this thing just popped open a couple days ago, and season closes next week, so we don't have much time. We are here. It's me, Brett, my brother. We're gonna rip some freaking walleyes. I know it's gonna be busy out here today, but it's one thing we're gonna have to deal with, and I am fine with that. But first things first, let's get those first open water 2022 walleyes out of the way and have a good freaking day. I'm just here to catch a few. I'll be happy if I catch a couple nice ones and get after it. I don't know what else to say except let's freaking do it. You guys stay tuned. Oh my gosh, does it feel good though? Walleyes are ready to rip. Just use this or huh? Or your other one that you brought.
No, I mean for plastic. Fires me up.
So,
what are we doing? Pulling jigs or casting jigs?
pull for a while. Yeah.
You guys are all fired up. You just want to cast. Come on now.
If we're gonna cast, we need to go way upriver yet.
Alright.
No.
It's up to you.
I say we pull these right up
Yeah,
past
we
them.
might as well.
But I'm gonna send one first.
Button. Hit that
What?
button on the trolling motor.
Which button? Oh, the only button on it. I'm just waiting for that first thump, boys. Like, let's just feel it and get it. You know what I mean? Just get. This drag. I'm glad I checked this drag. Set for dinosaurs.
Was it?
Oh my God! You
Probably just cold.
couldn't even pull it. Couldn't even pull her out, bud. First walleye of the season. How does it feel?
Feels great.
It does. Looks great. Looking good. Oh. Seen the pod, cast it, got him. Every time.
Last year.
Yeah. Fish. Doubled up. Get back there. Turn the motor off.
Rainy River.
Where's mine?
Welcome to spot lock for a second.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of them.
Get him in here.
Oh, yeah, baby girl.
Oh. Dude choked. That's a good sign. No, it's tiny. Had the drag set for butter though, boys. Dude, they are in there. First one. First one of the season. Oh, dude, let's go. First walleye of the 2022 season for this guy. We're gonna start it on the males, I guess. Yo, big. That's a fish. Yo, let's get the net. The graph is loaded, boys. And Maya's pounding suckers. Damn, that one slammed it, dude.
Good one.
Better. Doubles. Doubles already. Ah, this one might even be a little female, dude. Just round. Oh, yeah. Good. Good. Oh, yeah. We'll take it. Yeah, they don't do much. Sick. Oh yeah.
That's a fresh one from the lake.
Oh.
Nice little female.
Coming from the bottom, now we're here, baby. Just popped it. That's freaking horse, dude. Give me the net. Yeah. They just don't fight. Hell yeah. Freaking choked. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Hey, settle down. I mean, gone. Gone. I think we're at like a dozen already. Ooh. That was the old classic. Didn't feel nothing. Just reeled down. All right, guess I'm pulling back on you. Pretty much. She had her choked. Yeah, that's big. Real big. Grab the net big, boys. Like, this a 30.
30. Ain't no 30. What's a good one?
This a good one. God, they're so weird looking in this river. Oh, dude, horses be running. Just gone. Gone. They're chewing. Make it like fish 15 already, huh? Fish 15. And a good one at that. Chuck her right back. See you later, dude. Oh, man. Rainy River. Let's go. Get in a hotel room. Just keep popping them, man. You know? When they pop, you gotta pop back.
Yeah.
It's all you get. It's all you can do at this point.
Okay.
Got one? Dude, right next to the boat, too. Doubles. Are we gonna pull a triple? Oh, I'm going for a trip. Come out. That's better. It's a better one, huh? Horse or horses be running or horses are? Oh yeah, that's big. Just a fat 24-inch toad. Yeah, let's get a scoop on that. Yeah, we should probably get it.
That day on fucking Malaxnik, that first day out there. We netted the first like 5 or 6, and then we're like just like the fucking 25s and shit. In the
Right.
Nickel flip 83 fish is about as fast.
Yeah, dude. I just love the pre-spawn, dude. So
Wow,
nice.
you gonna get on that clicker?
I know, we're down 3 fish.
Are we? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm in charge of the clicker. 3, huh? 1, 2, 3, 18. Got another one? You lost it? What's up?
Try not to use them all.
Alright.
Try it.
I've never even heard of this. Duke of Earl. Yeah.
What do you mean, the brand?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've had them. They're bomb.
I was gonna say it feels a little better than normal. I'm only gonna do half of this thing. Test the bread, test the salami. Maybe that was a pepperoni, I'm not sure. Not a fan. Is any gas station sandwich any good though? You know? No. Pretty much just load it up with mayo, force yourself to eat Just so you're not hungry anymore. That's terrible, dude.
I always take off a bunch of bread on one side or the other. It's just bottom
Right.
side.
That's a lot. I grabbed my rod. All right, lunch is over. I hooked up. We are back at it. Good one? Good one. Dude, it's getting warm out now. I'm all pumped up. Food in me.
Re-energized.
You tell me about it. I keep forgetting how shallow it is. I'm just like waiting for it to sink.
I know, so I
Sitting there like that on bottom for 5 minutes, bud.
They're in the middle.
Get him. Get him. That one gave it to it. Oh, yeah. Hey, get down on the phone, bro. Get off the phone.
Pretty, even for the males though this year, pretty decent average size for the males. Some years you get when you get the big wad males that come in and get fucking call them 12 and 14 inches.
Yeah, we don't want those. We are headed in at the moment. Just literally fishing, and all of a sudden it was like, why is there water on the floor? Someone spilled some? No, it's coming through the floor. We've got a leak. We've sprung a leak on the Rainy River, so if you're around, send help. Lumicraft, we're headed back. We got, I don't know, 25 or something like that. We're gonna get back out there hopefully once we figure out this situation. Hopefully it's just a plug, loose plug or something. We can get right back out there, but for now, back to Lenny. See what the heck is going on.
Like this goes.
There we go.
Oh,